Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm starting with this brand that I purchased from with my own money, LuvMe Hair. If you don't know about them, you could check out my first video that I did with the first unit that I bought, and throughout the video I will also leave all the specs and details about the hair. I am dyeing my hair red, so I am going from black to red, so I obviously have to bleach the hair. So I'm using 40 volume developer and the BW2 bleach, and I'm basically just bleaching it from root to end because I don't want any like spots of dark hair. So I'm going to make sure that the bleach touches the hair thoroughly, and yeah, that's pretty much what I do. So with the 40 volume developer, you want to make sure that you're very careful because this bleach does dye very quickly. So while I'm bleaching the hair, you guys could grab a snack, or if you're trying to process your hair the same way I am, you could watch this video along with what you're doing. My hair is 20 inches. It's a closure wig from LuvMe Hair, like I stated before, and I purchased the wig from them previously, and I didn't dye it or anything, but because I wanted to see how like long the hair would hold up. You know, you got to see how long hair lasts. You got to give it like a month or two, so that's what I did, and the hair is very good. Like, I'm actually very shocked for the price that I got it for. So I bought another unit and I decided to dye it red because I actually trust this company now, and I recorded it to show you guys because I'm using the watercolor method, and there's not many videos of the watercolor method with bleached hair, so this is another alternative. I also want to let you guys know that with this hair that I received, they sent me another flat iron. If you watch my initial review of the other wig that I bought, I show you guys that they sent me a flat iron or whatever. But this time they sent me another flat iron. It was a different one. I haven't used the two yet, but I think they only go to like one heat setting, which I thought was like very generous of them because a lot of these hair companies, they don't put like this much thought into their packaging and what they send people. Like, I spent like $2 something on this hair, 20 inches, so it's long in length. Spent $2 something. They sent me a flat iron, they sent me a wax stick, tweezers, elastic band. Even though I already had adjustable straps in there, they sent me an elastic band, they sent me wig caps, instructions. Like, they put a lot of thought into this, and I really appreciate that, so that was a plus. Now that I'm done bleaching the hair, I basically just go and wash it with the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and I condition it, and then I let it dry overnight. I don't bleach the closure like the same day because I know that closures and frontals bleach way faster than the rest of the hair. I didn't want nothing coming out damaged, so I just let the rest of the hair air dry, and now I'm bleaching the closure along with the knots. And I'm basically touching up the spots that I missed, because clearly I missed some spots I didn't see before, so I'm just correcting the spots that I missed and bleaching the closure. I'm not gonna show me shampooing it because it's the same process. Like, you should know how to wash hair. Just make sure everything is completely out. Make sure if you need to use the neutralizing shampoo to deactivate the process, you could do that, but I didn't. So now I'm going to take my adored dyes. I have ruby red, wild cherry, and crimson. I was not sure, like, because it's bleach and it's not 613 hair, I wasn't sure if like a dark red would make it a magenta color or if a light red would make it look like dullish. So I used all these colors, and then I just am taking a paper towel and, you know, testing it out to see what color I get. I wanted like a very bright red, like not too bright but on the bright side, but like a dark red at the same time. I don't know, I know what I wanted. So, you know, when I did the paper towel test, it came out the color that I wanted, and the hair came out the color that I wanted. So that's pretty much it. You dip the hair in, and I let it saturate for about 2 minutes before I took it out. When you do the watercolor method, make sure you open up the hair or the wig or the bundles, whatever you're dyeing. Make sure you open up in the middle, because it's gonna be like a washed out color. Like, the hair needs to be saturated, like the water needs to get to every piece of hair. So make sure you open up your unit or your bundles or whatever, and make sure that the water reaches that area. Now I'm just plucking the closure because I want it to look natural. I don't have a particular way of how I pluck my closure. I just go in and thin the hair out, and then when it comes to baby hairs, like, I thin that out too. But unfortunately, my camera died. I didn't realize. I think I'm going to go back and bleach the knots again. I'm not sure. I don't know if I should do that, because I don't have a problem with the red knots. Like, having colored knots is not as bad as black knot, but I kind of want it to look like a scalp in a sense. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go back in and bleach the knots. But yeah, this is the part 1 to this hair series. Make sure you guys check out part 2. I'm gonna just be styling it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know anybody that needs help with dyeing their hair, make sure you send them this video. You know, it's beginner friendly. It's not a hard process. You know, just follow the steps that I do here. I'm no hairstylist. I'm no hairdresser. You know, so if I could do it, you guys could do it.